Honest. Leo was honest and told his mother the truth about the broken window. Honest. An honest person is truthful, fair, and trustworthy. Leo was honest and told his mother the truth about the broken window. What is a synonym for honest?
Requested. The customer requested service from the waiter. Requested. Something requested is asked for. The customer requested service from the waiter. What is something you have requested? Soared. The seagull soared upward, high over the ocean. Soared. If something soared, it flew very high in the air. The seagull soared upward, high over the ocean. What is a synonym for soared? Trudged. The tired hikers trudged slowly up the path.
Trudged. If you trudged, you walked steadily and slowly. The tired hikers trudged slowly up the path. Describe a time you trudged instead of walked quickly.